a picture with you and me. And I can't a picture with you. Thank you very much. God bless you. Shakanya kuwa Perezida w'igihugu cyacu cyiza cy'u Burundi. Munyemerereze kubafatana ifoto yanjye namwe.
Avuga turashikiriye umubyeyi.
Good morning everybody. Good morning everybody. So my name is Tekan Kifres. I'm from Burundi. I'm student. I'm single. I've studied there in Ngozi in faith. By now, I'm going at 4th. Me, I'm about going to tell you my poem of going at 2014 to 2016. Your excellent General Mayor, Evariste Ndayishimiye. In your respect to delegation, the representative of Burundians abroad, most honorable Samuel Ndayishimiye, from there in diaspora Holland. In your respect to delegation, I'm about going to tell you my poem of going at 2014 to 2016. Oh, you my fellow companion in everything, under the sky that carries azure. Whether you are young or old, I kindly ask you, come, let's walk together. Come, let's go together, where I was shown is greater than what I was told. I don't know exactly where you are heading, but if for good or Burundian, let's move. If you have a knowledge, bring it. If you have a gift, use it. Your talent is not the same as mine, but still come, let's go together. What we are is the path. Come, let's go together, where we unlock the world and not choose to criticize and speak ill of Burundian. They lived carelessly, thinking couldn't make it, but let's prove them that we can. Let's go tell them, never underestimate us. Come, let's unity our willpower, so it's part to change our behavior. The destination we're heading is not a dream. It's not fantasy or the past lives, or even current one share leadership with. We share this spot and reach the vision. If you understand it like I do, don't hesitate. Come with me. It's not too far for those who are in, and it's not too cold for those who are resist. If you understand, come with me. It doesn't require to change a place, but to change your mindset and embrace unity. And if even the leaders and those in power improve, no one will compete in a listing development. I'm a voice of tomorrow, reaching beyond border. I call on our Burundians to lie together. Let's stop corruption and be trust hero. Let's put justice and integrity first. Unity is our pillow. Talent is a gift. Knowledge to lead and choose on the path to progress. Let's help us work from our feet and talent to build strong infrastructure. And open up to the world. Let's fight for peace and trust among us. May 2014 to 2016 not be a dream, but our reality. Before we head in there, let's get to know each other. Me and the pure regional future, it's taken the key first. Grandson, grandson of our hero Peter Nkurunziza, a son of excellent General Mayor Evariste Ndayishimiye. So now, how should I consider you? Thank you, Your Excellent General Mayor Evariste Ndayishimiye, and your respected delegation. Thank you, Samuel, for bringing this competition in this Bujumbura. And we thank God's help, Samuel Ndayishimiye, bring this competition in Burundi, good country. Thank you very much. And we thank God's help, Excellent General Mayor Evariste Ndayishimiye. And we thank your respected delegation. And you, Excellent General Mayor, need I come to take picture with you. I would like to say in a Kirundi, in a mother tongue. Shaka nyakubahwa perezida w'igihugu cyacu cyiza cy'Uburundi, munyemerere nze kubafatana ifoto yanjye namwe. Thank you very much. God bless you. So now how should I consider you? Thank you, Your Excellent General Mayor Evariste Ndayishimiye. Thank you, Samuel, for bringing this competition in this our good country of Burundi. So, Your Excellent General Mayor Evariste Ndayishimiye, I need a picture with you and me, and I can't a picture with you. Thank you very much. God bless you.
tumukomere amashyi cyane umubyeyi wacu avuze turashikire umubyeyi akaba yaronse ya foto yari yifuza tumukeze.
Iraruhura, itanga amahoro, itanga umunezero. Akenshi media. Wow! Iraruhura, itanga amahoro, itanga umunezero. Akenshi